How to fix error, try a different payment method on Temu. First things first, if you're currently using the app version via your mobile device, you have to ensure that you're currently running the latest version. Heading out directly to wherever you have downloaded the app, and then ensure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically do the magic by itself. The next thing to do is just be sure that the payment method that you're adding is fully activated and valid, which means it needs to be active. The expiration date of that, for example, if it's a credit card, a Visa card, or a Master, the expiration date should be valid and not expired. Now, those are only the very basic troubleshooting steps that you need um, to look out for you to be able to fix the error on trying a different payment method on Temu.